The Jackie Chan spinny fan is the best fan you can get on the market.
The exact Chinese turbos that we're using on this car, I actually got off of eBay for $800. They claim that you can make 775 wheel horsepower on them. Now, I don't really know if that's true, but we did install these. Yeah?
It's true.
Oh yeah?
Them things are alright. They're built sturdy.
As you can see, we got the China turbos all the way up in there. Essentially what they are is just like a stock turbo housing, and everything is set up just like a factory turbo that comes with these cars, but
The best internals.
are they the best?
You won't forget that part. Best internals.
You sure about that?
Strongest internals.
Would you build them or something?
No guy.
You know a guy.
Few,
Or a few.
possibly.
Is it a guy or is it a kid? Be honest, break the news.
It's a very small young man.
Anyways, so they take this factory stock turbo configuration and they upgrade it to a 46 by 58 millimeter turbo, and you get 2 of them. We have all of the mods required to turn this thing up to 775 horsepower. If we can even get there, I'll be honest, I highly doubt it, but we have things like...
Hit 775.
The first thing we're gonna need to get the eBay turbos to really get spooling nice and good like is fueling. So pretty much we're gonna have to do a lot of fueling mods in order to get these eBay turbos enough flow, so that way we get more flow through the turbo. So we got that Hellcat pump, so it's a Walbro 525. They call it the Hellcat pump, so that makes me cool, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this is gonna allow us to make at least, I think with the Hellcat fuel pump, you can make like 700 to 800 horsepower. And currently, old girl has the stock one in her. So first thing we're gonna have to do is go ahead and replace that, which is right under. Ooh! Ha! You like that?
First ripper right there.
That's what they call me.
First ripper?
No, they call me at the bathroom.
Oh.
This. Why is it already loose? I've never tinkered with this. Who was pumping my car? Was it you?
Nah.
Dude, why can't I just take these off with my own 2 fingies?
All 4 of them, huh?
A little concerning. I've really never touched this. I wonder what all this transmission fluid's doing down here.
Is that
I think it was
you?
from those 3 guys that were in this car. You know what I'm saying? There she go. Ugh. She is dirty. We gotta take out the stock fuel pump because that is capping us. No cap, that's capping us. This car dynoed at 456 horsepower with 93. But that's changing today. We're going E85 look alive.
On a cold fingy, too.
It don't make sounds. There's no way it comes out.
No, you definitely gotta groom the moon.
Just a little sip of that. That little stock pump. So now we have this Fuel It Hellcat pump going in. What are you doing?
I'm fixing the light. It's out.
All right. So we got the Hellcat fuel pump going in now. This is also a buckless fuel system, so we can't run the tank too low. Oh my God. Travis? Travis. Oh my God. Travis. Are you good?
The light. It's out.
Yeah, it's out. Are you okay? Talking about the light, dude. Look what you did to my roof.
My back.
The Hellcat pump is fully installed, so hypothetically, we should have a supercharger on this thing now. We're still on the 93 tune from Mr. CD919, but he did send over a E40 mix, and so we're gonna have to take it to the gas station. We might have a check engine light for the Hellcat pump in the bank. We also don't have a flex fuel, so me and Travis are gonna have to get serious with the mathematics here. Sorry to interrupt today's video, but I want to take a quick minute to talk about today's video sponsor, Carly. It's a product that we use in our shop on all of our cars pretty much all the time. So you just plug the Carly module into your OBD2 port, and then all you want to do is get the Carly mobile app onto your phone, select what vehicle you have it connected to. The Carly can connect to the DME module, the FRM. It pretty much reads all of the modules within your vehicle, so it's a lot more than most scanners do, where it just reads the ECU problem. So I'm gonna run a quick diag on the M3 it just to show you everything that's wrong with it. A whopping 59 problems with the M3, but this car is heavily modified, so there's probably a couple things that are not plugged in that are from the stock application. So if you do have a problem with your car and it's running weird, or you just want to figure out what's going on with it, you have a bunch of options here. It allows you to look at all the modules, and it also allows you to clear all the problems with it. And then my favorite part of this app is the coding option. I changed the BMW ding that you hear right here to the Rolls-Royce sound, and it sounds baller. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into the iDrive options for coding, and we can change that annoying little ding to something a little more luxury. All right, so the coding is finished. Ready for that double R? Yeah! Bing, bing. It says money. So now we got the Rolls-Royce dang in here. So you're gonna check out Carly for yourself. You're able to use this on much more cars than just the M3. You can hit the link in the description to check out if your vehicle will work with a Carly. So make sure to hit the link in the description and use code Wyatt. Thank you to Carly for sponsoring today's video. Have expired plates, so Travis, don't do anything stupid.
Can't do too much back here.
Woo! I don't know how that works with tubes. You got a big pump on a little pump tube. I can't wait till we get more boost. This motherfucker will be. That's what doing a pool with traction on sounds like.
My first rodeo.
We need E40 in here because that's the current tune we are going on. Did you bring your calculator?
I left it in my...
The mathematics have got it. We're gonna go to half a tank of 93, which is 8 gallons, and then 40% E is 3.2 gallons of E.
Someone just put 3.5 in there.
Yeah, live, motherfucker.
I've been around long enough to know.
We now have E40 mix inside of the vehicle, inside of me. CD919, the man, the myth, the legend, sent over a E40 map for us, so it is active map switching. So map 1 is gonna be 93, and then E40 is gonna be our map 2. And this is only 40% of the way that we are doing in this video. We are going to full max effort. We are maxing out China's capabilities to make turbos. Chris said we gotta mix up the E85 once we get in the tank so we can get a proper blend. I know, go with you. Mixed.
My head's fucking mixed.
First rip on E40. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. We need more boost, Chris. Give me a little bit more.
Electric, electric. That shit feels fucking electric.
Alright, so it's the next day, and Chris has got back to us with a new tune. So right there, Mr. 1.6. So before we go pushing China to its absolute limit with port injection, we're gonna see how far just the Hellcat fuel pump can take us. And I believe we can do like 22 PSI with E40 blend and the Hellcat pump and everything else stock. Oh my god, dude, that is absolutely ignorant. The fact that you could literally just buy like a shitter 335, a Hellcat fuel pump, some China turbos for 800 bucks, and it feels like that is absurd. Dude, that's like really absurdly fast. Oh my god, we almost died. We almost died. No, we need to go back and put the drag pack on right now. We're on the welds, but let's see if we can break them loose with a nice little donut. Nope. Dude, it sticks too much. That was so good. That was so good.
What? Go, 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 go. Get the fuck out the way. Oh my god, over the median. Oh, not like that. Go, go, go. Get in, get in, get in, get in. Door, door, door. Oh my god.
Dude,
Good thing you didn't have your plate on at least.
I know, but like, we're literally right here.
Bro, I'm shaking too.
I don't even know what to say. Dude, I had to though.
Yeah, I mean, you had no other choice.
Bro, we gotta leave the
We
shop
have to-
right now.
Yeah, we gotta get the fuck out of here.
That was all AI, guys. That was so legend.
Dude, the camera's shaking. That's how bad I'm shaking right now.
It was paid actors. This is a television show.
Yeah, totally.
Bro.
Having so much fun, that is probably a little bit against the law.
Here's the more fueling mods that we need to max out and really test and see if we can make 775 horsepower that eBay claims you can make on these turbos. I already spoke to the tuner and it's almost a guaranteed not happening, but regardless, we're gonna try. He said he's down to keep turning it up to see if we can make 775 horsepower. I don't know what that means for me or the health of my motor, but I definitely don't care. I'm here for science purposes. So we have a bunch of used parts that I got on Facebook. So I got 750cc Bosch injectors along with a port injection plate. So this goes in between the intake manifold and it gives us 6 extra injectors. Then along with that, we also have a split second AIC port injection controller. And I got this for absolutely free. Shout out to Landon, one of my Snapchat followers, sent me this. Along with half of his pantry, which is quite interesting, Mr. Landon. But look, I would never say no to some snacks, all right? So appreciate it. And we spent roughly $300 on this port injection plate with the 6 injectors. So honestly, a bargain for allegedly 775 horsepower that we're about to put down on this car. All the fueling mods are done now, so port on. 750cc injectors on. And the split second controller is all wired up. So now that we have all the fueling mods ready to go, it's time to defuel. So we have E40 blend in here, which means we have 60% 93 octane. That's slow guy shit. So we're gonna drain all of the fuel out, refill on full E85, so that way we can make all the power that China has to offer. Got it in my eyes. I might gain a couple horsepower from it getting in my eye. It's been quite the day. I had a dyno appointment at 6 p.m. today, so we're running an hour, 20 minutes late, and that's because after putting all of this on, I completely forgot that we need the 3.5 map bar sensor to turn up the boost. And then a whole lot of other shit. Cameraman Jeremy's car blew up, so that was another thing. And CD919 went ahead and sent us over a 22 PSI map, 24, 26, and 28. So we are going to max out the turbos. Chris said these turbos do not handle any more than 25 PSI, so that's why we have the higher maps.
They're definitely handling like 30.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
I have no faith in your 775.
They're handling 30.
So we got the split second AIC controller running over the map that Chris sent us. We also have a full tank of E85. So right after this, we're gonna give her one rip on the kill tune, and before destruction, we're gonna go to the dyno and put down the power and prove China Trav wrong.
Not happening.
One downside is everything got done so last minute today that we were not able to get any revisions in with Chris prior to him sending us the kill maps and whatnot.
Holy fuck! 775! 775!
Oh my God, that was actually insane. That motherfucker ride, boy! Ride now! Good God! Let me ride! I might have to fly to China just to handshake someone. I don't know.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Proud work here.
We are at at the dyno. And we're gonna start on the, what that was, and then we're gonna swap to boom tunes, is like we like to call them. Because we know it's way too much for the car, but that's why we're here for science. What do you think about our air induction up there?
Oh yeah, I like it. Side vents right here, so it kind of diffuses all sides.
Yeah, it was all about the drag.
You need a wang?
I do. Dude, let's throw it on. It might add like 20 horsepower. 40? All right, look, we need all we can get with this thing. We're gonna do a quick little soft pass just to make sure the gear ratio is right, and then we're gonna let her eat.
Tubes here.
A little mishap on the coil pack.
Little.
Hopefully the old wipe trick does is good. Dude, it was literally running perfectly fine 2 seconds ago. That's right, it doesn't break up this time. Alright, it's the coil pack. That's literally it. We have 7 options of coil packs, so hopefully one of these works. If this works, that was an easy, quick fix. Turbos. Good job.
Wait till we put the next tune on.
So 23 PSI went flawless for the most part after the coil pack incident. So now we got a 26 PSI map on. So we're gonna find out how this goes.
It's gonna go well. Very well. So well. The wellest.
It might blow up right here, I'm not gonna lie. 26 PSI on Chinese turbos. For 26 PSI. So now we're gonna go to the highest kill map we have, 28 PSI. And who fucking knows how that's gonna go?
It's gonna go phenomenal.
When you have turbos like these and you go past the amount of boost that you're supposed to go to, like what happens?
It won't hold the boost up there, like so it'll probably spike up to 28 and then just start dropping back down to 24.
Because it can't like support all that. Okay. This is the highest kill map we have, 28 PSI. We're gonna see if it actually makes more than 568 horsepower. It's out of turbo?
Yeah, so it comes up down low real quick a little bit, and then it just falls on his face.
You lied.
You got no motor. You got no motor, man.
That ain't bad.
Sorry. This is a faulty set.
Dude, they held up great. Yeah, they didn't make as much as they marketed they make, but 570 horsepower for $800 turbos. You can't ask for too much more. Good job, Chum Trev.
Yeah, man, of course.
Hey, it didn't make 775, but it makes
It's a
some.
faulty set. It happens.
Yeah. Appreciate you, man. Good night.
Thank you.
So we scientifically maxed out China's turbos. So what he was saying was, even if you gave it 30 PSI, it was just gonna make about the same number anyhow. So it's still on the kill map, 28 PSI. Woo! Yeah! Dude, that was insane. That hooked up well too, like it was definitely spinning, but.
Oh, we got the creator in the driver's seat now.
Dude, you created the turbos, you're gonna be the one to blow it up.
I was fucking wheeling through third, boy.
I don't think the transmission can handle this. Oh, transmission light, transmission light, transmission light. No way.
Not shifting.
How are you gonna create the turbos and
I
then
made
break
the turbo,
something
not
else?
the transmission.
There you have it. So, old Chinese turbos, yes, they actually worked really well, and that surprised the hell out of me. The fact that we were able to turn all the way up to 28 PSI. Motor didn't blow, turbos didn't blow. The trans is fairly on its way out. Needless to say, 775 horsepower that they claim you can make did not happen at all. Hey, Trev. So now that we tested out your theory, where the fuck did you come up with 775?
Good crank, man. I never mentioned that.
Maybe you should update your listing.
No.
No?
Nope.
Why?
Because it's sell like motherfucking hotcakes.
Down a back road where the White River runs and the